Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Cardo.in presents Saturday Stardom. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। Last week we had Mr. अंकुर नैयर as our guest and उनके साथ हमने की बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बातें और उनके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में हमने बहुत कुछ जाना। Today we have another guest who loves life and has inspired millions of people with her hit TV shows and social media presence. आप उनको पिछले 20 सालों में अलग अलग किरदारों में देख चुके हैं, चाहे वो दिल तो पागल है, राज, ये है मुंबई मेरी जान, सर आंखों पर जैसी मूवीज़ में स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर रोल्स हों, या थोड़ा है थोड़े की ज़रूरत है, निमकी विधायक, ससुराल गेंदा फूल जैसे दिल को छू जाने वाले किरदार। इन्होंने अपने एक्टिंग से, परफॉर्मेंस से हमेशा लोगों के दिल जीते। So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Shruti Panwar. Let's connect with her. Hello, how are you? Good evening, Shruti.
Good evening, Sujay. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good. What's happening during the lockdown? Are you safe?
Oh. Yeah, very much safe and so many things happening in spite of just being at home. इतनी सारी चीजें करने को हैं which I would love to share with you guys. Okay. And yeah, it's a different experience.
What is your daily routine like? I mean, what are you doing during the day?
Oh my God, you will not believe it. The daily routine is so fixed now, you know. It's really become a daily routine now for us, actually. Okay. I mean, I get up in the morning. The first thing I do is I go out for my exercise, and we are allowed to go under the building. I mean, in the building compound. Right. So मैं चारों तरफ चक्कर काटती हूँ. Then I do my little workouts. I've kept weights नीचे ही. तो मैं मास्क पहन के जाती हूँ, सैनिटाइजर लेकर जाती हूँ. हालांकि नीचे भी सैनिटाइजर होता है, लेकिन and then of course, but then when I run, I take off the mask because it's not good for you to run with the mask on. Right. Yeah. It's in fact poisonous and
we have so seen a lot of your photos on Instagram of working out and everything. I'm sure you're doing a lot.
Yeah, I hope not. We'll come to that later because that's something which I'm very passionate about. You know, my exercise. And then I come back home. I take a bath because when नीचे से आती हूँ, so it's very essential to take a bath. I have my mother, who's a senior citizen, and I have my child, my son, who's a teenager. Right. And then I have to do the झाड़ू पोछा घर पे सबसे पहले. अच्छा. उसके बाद I love. But I'm a देहरादूनिया, मैं बहुत ही देसी लड़की हूँ. Okay. So मुझे बिल्कुल भी दिक्कत नहीं हुई कि भाई घर में झाड़ू पोछा करना है या डस्टिंग करनी है या खाना बनाना है. Because I love cooking. इस लॉकडाउन में तो सबको सिखा दिया है झाड़ू पोछा लगाना. Actually जिनको नहीं भी आता था ना. I know. True. मैं शुरू में काफी लोगों के पोस्ट देख रही थी and I was seeing कि सब लोगों को आ गया कि भाई पोछा मारते हुए पीछे जाओ, झाड़ू देते हुए आगे जाओ. तो ये पहले किसी को पता नहीं था. तो कूड़े पे ही पैर पड़ जाता था और निशान पड़ जाते थे पैरों के पोछा मारते हुए बहुत लोगों के. And I used to laugh when I used to see these posts, you know. Right. But thankfully, sorry.
You're absolutely right. आगे जाना पीछे जाना ये सारे जितने भी पोस्ट्स आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे भी जा रहे हैं एंड आई थिंक जिन्होंने कभी सोचा नहीं था वो कभी झाड़ू लगाएंगे वो आजकल लगातार लगा रहे हैं.
Yeah, true. But good, na, it's a good exercise. It's a good for the tummy.
Yeah, it's good for the tummy.
नीचे बैठ के पोछा मारना.
True. Very true.
Yeah. So that is happening. Then उसके बाद I get into household work, thinking what to cook. I've been cooking a lot because in school time I had home science, so I had cooking. Okay. And I still love baking. I still bake a lot. I still cook a lot. I've been experimenting and doing, जो इतने समय से समय नहीं मिलता था, बेसिकली इतना अच्छा अच्छा खाना बनाने का, तो वो अब सब मिल रहा है. सो माय सन एंड माय मॉम इज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ कि श्रुति के हाथ का बना हुआ खाना खाने को मिल रहा है. So that is happening. Then afternoon time is a bit of Netflix, watching something on TV, watching what's happening on TV. News देख के तो कभी-कभी डर लगने लग जाता है.
हाँ. Actually वो
news
ticker इतना ज़्यादा वो मतलब डरावना हो जाता है कि लोगों को लगता है कि भाई पता नहीं बाहर क्या हो रहा है.
मतलब तो दहशत वैसे नहीं फैलती है, वो दहशत न्यूज सुन के फैल जाती है हमारे अंदर और बाहर. So I kind of avoid just to see that okay ये हो रहा है. That's about it. Just to be a little aware. But otherwise, home is there, chatting with my son, with my mother. We play Ludo a lot. Then I have my little dog Ollie. So busy with them. And evening again, then I go down and play with my son. We play badminton in the evening. Okay. And हम दोनों ही खेलते हैं. So we maintain the social distancing because वो by default उस game में हो जाता है. Right. So that, and then I do my exercises again in the evening, run around the campus. And आके फिर, but what I do is before going, I do the preparation for the dinner. Basically, it's all baked stuff and so on. Yeah. So that आके I just have to just figure it out, नहा धोकर, and then dinner time, and then again we play Ludo. फिर जब सब सो जाते हैं तो मैं Netflix देखती हूँ.
सही है.
That is what दिनचर्या है.
बहुत अच्छी दिनचर्या, बहुत दिलचस्प है. एंड काफी सारे लोग इस चीज से
मजेदार है.
तो आपका अभी थोड़ा आई नो द शूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड द इंडस्ट्री इज लॉट अफेक्टेड. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट ऑल द इंडस्ट्रीज आर अफेक्टेड. कुछ ऐसा अभी कुछ पाइपलाइन में है, कुछ प्लान अब जैसे धीरे धीरे करके लॉकडाउन खुलेगा एंड समथिंग दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर, कुछ ऐसा एनी प्रोजेक्ट और एनी रिलीज दैट इज कमिंग अप और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
Yeah, Sujay, I was very much looking forward for Suryavanshi.
Okay.
Because I've played a part in the movie.
Yes.
And thankfully, luckily, Rohit sir ने रिलीज नहीं करी 24 मार्च को जो होने वाली थी. Because अगर वो करते फिर उसके बाद immediately lockdown and then फिर मजा नहीं आता लोगों का. Because a lot of films suffered because of that as well.
True.
So thankfully he made the right decision at the right time. And release जो है वो अब आगे postpone हो गई है after the lockdown.
But काफी लोग releases online plan कर रहे हैं platforms पे, Amazon पे, Netflix पे. Do you think Rohit sir will be interested in doing something like that?
I don't know. I haven't spoken to him about this because that's, of course, he's the producer, he's the director.
What is your take? What is your take on it? Should it be done?
In fact, it's so funny that because I'm mentioning this and you asked me what is your take. I was just thinking in the morning, कि ये film, I think I saw some film being released on Netflix. So I was like, I think it is the Mission Impossible का कोई series है. I mean, sequel है जो आ रहा है शायद.
Even 12 जून को अमिताभ जी की भी मूवी आ रही है गुलाबो सिताबो. That is also releasing in Amazon. They are not releasing it in any because there's a lot of hue and cry happening over the release on it and the future of cinema theater, cinema halls. But then the population that is actually going to see it on the internet and everything. So वो लोग तो खुश ही हैं कि भाई it's going to be a better experience.
Yeah, so I was like little नहीं ये फिल्म है जो भाई पर्दे पर आनी चाहिए
जो ट्रेडिशनली हम लोग भी ऐसे ही हैं कि 70 mm पे जब तक पिक्चर ना दिखे फायदा नहीं, मजा नहीं आता.
करेक्ट. तो वो पिक्चर नहीं होती फिर तो आप नेटफ्लिक्स में कोई सीरीज ही देख रहे हो फिर it's like that. And you can pause any time and you can do your errands then come back to watch it anytime. So I don't like that angle of watching cinema. For me, going to a theater place and watching it ardently without any interruption is the best thing. And
actually becomes like an outing.
So and the scale is also so big ना उस मूवी का that वो पर्दे पर ही अच्छी लगेगी.
Right.
So that is there. And another thing is I was doing another movie in Karnal. In fact, I was shooting and we were very fortunate that हमारी जो पूरी team है we came back at the right time. Otherwise हम सब अभी करनाल में अटके हुए होते. Yeah. So this is a movie called Unfair and Lovely.
Okay.
And it's a movie produced by Sony Pictures, directed by
really?
Sorry?
Very nice, very nice. Unfair and Lovely itself is a very catchy title.
Unfair and Lovely. It's a very feel-good comedy film and about a family in Karnal in Haryana.
Okay.
And it's very interesting. And Balwinder sir is directing it, so we are very excited about it. We finished about 60-65% of the movie. I was there in Karnal for a month and a half, and मेरा काम शायद एक हफ्ते का रह गया था, but we had to unfortunately and fortunately come back,
yes,
which is very good, yeah.
But then I'm sure
for me,
एक बार lockdown खत्म होगा तो उसके बाद things will be normal.
I'm sure.
So Unfair and Lovely is something that people will be eagerly waiting to watch.
Yeah. In fact, for me, I feel also that, shooting in Mumbai in the studios will be more difficult than going outdoors and shooting, especially because the condition in Maharashtra and Mumbai is not so good.
Right.
It's become a global red zone.
Right.
So, so for any shootings, agar resume hoti hai, jabhi bhi hoti hai, it'll be always better if we go outside Mumbai, wherever there is a green zone, or not going into the orange and the red zone.
Right.
So I'm looking forward for that. Going back to Karnal again and shooting. And हम बहुत ही सुंदर जगह पे shoot कर रहे थे. We were shooting in this very 150-year-old little bungalow. पुरानी हवेली जैसे होती है, तो उसमें shoot कर रहे थे. And we were so many of us having a good time. And there's Randeep Hooda in it, there's Ileana D'Cruz, there's Pawan Malhotra, Rajendra Gupta, Ashima Singh. A lot of good actors are there in it, and who've done a lot of television also. So I know some of them from a very long time.
Okay.
So that I'm looking forward to. And plus, of course, once everything starts again, once our life is again there.
Yes.
Yeah, pumping and beating and moving like it's supposed to. And I guess there'll be many more projects coming my way, and I'm looking forward for them. Though it'll be difficult because मुश्किल बहुत होगा, सबके लिए मुश्किल.
But ठीक है, मुश्किलों से निकलना ही that's part and parcel of life.
Absolutely. And this is what is keeping me going as well, because I'm a very positive person. मैं बहुत आशावादी हूँ. So in these crises, in these situations, also one has to be very positive. I know बहुत मुश्किलें होती हैं, और मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लिए थोड़ा आसान होगा बोलना, because मेरे ऊपर छत है, खाना मिल रहा है, अच्छा घर है, परिवार साथ में है. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अभी भी रास्ते में हैं, जो अपने परिवार के साथ नहीं है, जिनके लिए खाने की दिक्कत हो रही है, या रहने का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. बट फिर भी मुझे लगता है थोड़ा आशावादी होने की जरूरत है.
अच्छा, you were talking about a lot of people that have worked with you during your journey in the industry. There must be a few celebrities or friends or co-workers, co-actors which actually have been very influential in your life or have inspired you. Can you name a few?
Yeah, I mean, I remember when I was a newcomer, fresh from Dehradun, I had come. You always look up to a lot of artists, a lot of Bollywood actors and television actors who you've seen. And मुझे याद है, मैं तो उस समय बहुत माधुरी दीक्षित से प्रभावित थी. So, but otherwise also, I always got inspired by Smita Patil. She was an amazing actor. Then in television, and also from my hometown, Himani Shivpuri was there, Himani Didi was there, Archana was there. Who always inspired me, because वो देहरादून मेरे शहर से गए थे, मेरे छोटे से टाउन से गए थे. So I was always inspired by them. And when I came here, I knew them as well from before. They had seen me do theatre in Dehradun. And they were very supportive. Archana was very supportive. I stayed in her house, for a few days, and she guided me. And also, there were a few more people, Manoj Bajpayee, Ashutosh Rana, who also kind of guided me a lot. But, more than this, I think the inspiration and the motivation which you get from your family is also very essential. So all these things, really matter. और क्योंकि मैं एक छोटे से शहर से थी, a beautiful family, Rajput background, though orthodox, but yet not, conservative, yet very open and liberal. I was always allowed to do whatever I wanted to, studied in a doing a lot of activities in school, co-education, and doing drama, doing fashion shows in Dehradun, doing theatre in Dehradun. So I was never, and a lot of sports. I was never restricted that way. So of course, my family really inspired me, motivated me, helped me, and encouraged me to do what I wanted to do. And luckily, I got married to a family जिनको problem नहीं थी अगर मैं Bollywood में जाऊँ या television करूँ.
That's very important. Yes.
Very essential because क्या होता है शुरू में अगर आप I don't know if you recollect, I remember when we were small, we always used to hear कि अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ या अच्छे खानदान की लड़कियाँ टीवी पर या फिल्मों में नहीं जाती हैं. Yes. So that way, that always used to be the thing, एक mindset था उस समय society का. So yeah, but for me, my family, they knew who Shruti is, and they knew that Shruti is strong from inside. She will not lose herself. She knows, कि कहाँ तक जाना है.
Most importantly, they knew your capabilities. They trusted that.
And they knew that चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, Shruti जो है, she will not lose her integrity.
Yes.
She will not lose her sat जो होता है, her sap of life she will not lose.
I
so that is what was very important. So I always feel that my family is, my mom, my brother, my sister, my nephew, all of them, my father who's no longer there, but yet he's there with us. It has always kind of inspired me. Then my in-laws, my mother-in-law, my husband, they all supported me very much. And now my son is there, who's, always inspiring me and supporting me.
Right.
So yeah, in different phases, you meet people, you meet actors, you meet friends who inspire you. I've got a very good friend, Delnaz, who is amazing, Delnaz Irani. She's a good friend. Chitrashi Rawat, there's Tanya Brol, there's Shantini Ghosh. We're good moon Banerjee. We're close-knit. So we always inspire each other. And that's about it. I inspire myself.
That's most important. I think people who are actually watching the show, they need to learn the main thing is till the time you inspire yourself, you are the winner in any field.
Absolutely, Sujay. And मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है ना, पहले बोलते थे ना, I used to say I love myself,
Right.
And I used to say, oh my God, that's so self-centered, I said, no, it's not. Because the moment, if you do not love yourself, you will not know how to love others.
Yes.
You don't praise yourself, you will not know how to praise or compliment others.
I always say I am my best friend.
Yeah, and you don't check yourself or correct yourself, you will not be able to see the mistakes outside there.
Right, true.
And बहुत interesting चीज बताती हूँ. In theatre, there's an exercise. Like हम लोग circle में रहते हैं. There's an exercise where the director tells you to count. कि 1, 2, 3, 4,
Right.
So अमूमन क्या इंसान करता है, आपके बगल में है तो 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे गिनेगा.
Correct.
No, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Right. So you have to include yourself, in the circle. You exclude yourself, you will count someone else.
Correct.
So you count first and then. तभी तो मेरे ख्याल से हवाई जहाज में भी बोलते हैं ना, जब कुछ इमरजेंसी आती है तो मास्क खुद पहनिए, फिर दूसरों को पहनाइए.
आई थिंक किसी ने बहुत सोच समझ के ये भी बनाया कि भाई पहले अपनी सेफ्टी कर लो, बाकी को जिसको बचाना होगा अपने को सेव करके तुम 4 को बचा लो.
या मतलब पता चले मैं हाफरी हूँ और मैं दूसरे की मदद भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. भाई ऑक्सीजन मेरे अंदर अच्छी जाएगी तो मैं चुस्त होकर होश में आकर दूसरे की मदद कर सकती हूँ.
Right.
So that is about it. Like you also said that you are your own best friend.
Yes. So apart from whenever you are not working, what do you generally do? I mean, देहरादून के चक्कर भी लगते रहते हैं very often.
हाँ, देहरादून
की हमारी बात इतनी देहरादून की हुई, मुझे देहरादून की सूप बार से याद आ गई. मैंने ये फर्स्ट टाइम देहरादून में देखा था. मैंने पूरा मतलब काफी मैंने वर्ल्ड भी ट्रैवल किया है, इंडिया भी देखा, हर जगह बार जरूर दिखती है, सूप बार कहीं नहीं दिखती. तो देहरादून में इट इज वेरी और वहाँ पे मौसम भी शाम के वक्त इतना रंगीन हो जाता है कि इफ यू हेड टू अ सूप बार, इट्स अ वेरी गुड कल्चर. और सिटीज में भी होनी चाहिए. बट लास्ट आई वाज देयर, वी हैड अ गाला टाइम एट अ सूप बार. And I think this is थोड़ा बहुत तफरी करते हैं आप when you're not working?
Yeah, I mean, in the sense, my tafri in Bombay is my workout, playing with my son.
Okay.
You know, I play football with him, I play badminton with him, I play cricket with him.
Mm-hmm.
So that is my masti. And of course, I meet my friends going out for coffee, but I'm not the club jane wala ya discotheque jane wala person.
Right.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm more of a house person, to be very honest. So that is why that's another thing. मुझे इस हाउस अरेस्ट में कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है.
It is actually like a relaxation from the busy schedules of yours from shooting.
Yeah, no, but still उसके विपरीत भी क्या होता है, कितनी बार अगर आप 2 दिन से ज्यादा भी घर पे बैठ जाते हैं तो आपको लगता है यार हम बाहर क्यों नहीं जा रहे हैं. But for me it's never been like that because I love staying at home.
Right.
तो मैं तो बहाने ढूंढती कि मैं घर में रहूं. I'm like that. फ्रेंड्स कॉल किया, चले नहीं और अभी नहीं, अरे इस हफ्ते का ये करना है, अरे मम्मा का ये करना है, तो मैं बहाने वाने ढूंढती रहती हूँ.
काफी लोगों के लिए लॉकडाउन जो है, काफी लोगों के लिए ये लॉकडाउन है, इट्स बिकम लाइक अ बिग बॉस का घर. मोदी जी चाहते हैं कि I'd rather go into political right sentences, but this is more of for many people it has become like a big boss house. So generally asking you also, do you prefer reality shows over fiction?
Well, the talent ones are good, but I've never been in a reality show as such.
Would you want to be one? Be in one?
See, a talent show is a good one, like a Nach Baliye or a dance, like a Jhalak Dikhla Ja. But I don't know, I'm a big boss person or not. I don't think so, because I don't know what I do.
वहाँ पे झगड़े बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
Yeah, I'll start crying probably, or I'll be out in a week's time. I'm a very Dehraduni basic,
I know.
So I
completely understand now.
Yeah, so I don't see myself in Big Boss at all, actually, to be very honest. But of course, it's a good platform to gauge yourself, to know कि आपके अंदर कितनी क्षमता है, कितनी patience है.
Correct.
So that way it is there, and it's a good platform for that. And you can also take it as a challenge for yourself.
Right. Right.
Whether not to lose yourself, be in control. Because वहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको मेरे ख्याल से जो मदद कर देती है कि you just lose yourself.
Correct.
They instigate you, they irritate you,
push you to the limits.
Oh yes, they push you to the limits. हालांकि I don't watch. I'm not a big Boss watcher as well. So, but yeah, initially when the lockdown happened, Sujay, we all said that it's a very, even I said, in my Instagram post and all that, I know it's a difficult times, एक बहुत ही अलग किस्म का समय है जो पूरी दुनिया, और एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बाद में बोलूंगी दुनिया के ऊपर. I mean, it's a very it's a time where we never thought this time would come.
Okay.
Yeah. I asked my mom कि आपने कभी सोचा था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा? तो ये मतलब वर्ल्ड वॉर्स हो गई थी, लेकिन ये जो था, we never thought this would happen.
I absolutely think, I mean, we both have the same school of thought. मैं भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही सोचता हूँ कि हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे ऐसा लॉकडाउन. नदियां साफ हो गई.
हाँ, और क्या है ना, and the best part is we do not even know कि अंत कब है.
हाँ, correct.
ये जो वो और आगे बढ़ता है, हम उसके करीब जाते हैं तो वो और आगे चला जाता है. So it's like that. Right. So I was telling people that all my friends and fans, and of course we were talking at home, and we're saying it's a very beautiful time that at least some of us are getting time to spend with our families.
Yes. That's most important.
Know yourself. To think about yourself, to think about people around you, to talk to your family members, to your loved ones, fight with them, love them, have discussions, laugh with them, cry with them, whatever. This is because you're under one roof, you're not going out at all. So yeah, this is there. It is hard for some people, but I think इस समय पॉजिटिव होना ही सबसे जरूरी चीज है. बिकॉज हाँ वो नहीं होगा तो फिर मैं बताऊं हम लोग अपने आप को खो देंगे, चिढ़ने लग जाएंगे, गुस्सा करेंगे, you know. And I've also heard people are going through very bad times, very bad patches, you know, monetarily as well, you know.
Right.
I just एक बहुत दुखद खबर मिली कि एक actress also, I've forgotten her name, I'm sorry, I just came to know about 2 days back, she committed suicide, you know. So there are things like this also happen, which of course is bound to happen.
Yes.
Because ये situation ही ऐसी हो गई है, और ये सिर्फ मुंबई या दिल्ली या लखनऊ या कलकत्ता में नहीं है, या हिंदुस्तान या स्पेन में नहीं है, बल्कि पूरे विश्व में है.
Correct.
You know, so in one way, the whole world has become one.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Actually,
to joke about it.
Yeah, I know, but this is what is that is the real. I mean, that's the truth. That is what has happened.
Yeah. Yeah, the world has become one right now, you know, actually, अगर देखा जाए तो.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
So
what we are going to do is, we have this special segment called One Word, One Line Answer. It's like a quick thing, quick rapid fire.
Rapid fire
about you. And we'll have a one word, one line answer. We'll have about 4-5 questions, and then let's see how you perform in this.
One line or one word?
Either way.
One sentence or one word?
Either ways. It should not be more than a sentence. One word, one line answer. And it should be quick. Impromptu.
Quick.
Right. So let's start. We now present one word, one line answer. What's the favorite thing in your closet right now?
My kajal.
Do you like traveling? And what is your favorite destination?
Dehradun, my hometown.
Okay. Which were your favorite and the worst subjects in school?
Math! I hate math! I used to barely pass.
Which one did you love?
Sorry?
Which one did you love, if maths is what you hated?
Oh, which one did I was very good in Hindi. I loved Hindi, and I loved history and geography. So yeah.
Hindi we know.
And I loved
we see it on the screen also. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you prefer, pizza or pasta? Yeah, roti or chicken?
Acha, pizza, pasta. No, say it again.
What do you prefer, Italian or Indian? Pizza, pasta or roti butter chicken?
Rajma chawal.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. What's your favorite song?
अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम. बाकी में अजीब दास्ता है ये.
Okay, which celebrity would you rate a perfect 10 from your industry?
A perfect 10?
Yeah.
In Indian this thing, like this zone?
Yeah.
I think Madhuri Dixit.
I was hoping.
All-time favorite.
This.
Yeah, she's fantastic. Be it commercial, be it earthy, you know, non-commercial cinema, dance, grace, dialogue delivery, beauty, simplicity, everything.
Right. What's your favorite place to eat?
My favorite?
Your favorite place to eat?
My favorite place to eat, home.
Home, okay. Any celebrity crushes?
Yeah, Amir Khan was my crush.
And if you had one superpower, what would that be?
One superpower, what would that be? Learn to fly. That I can fly like a superwoman. And then, of course, if I'm a superwoman, I'll have all the other powers.
Okay. Which is the weirdest rumor that you've heard about yourself?
I don't know.
See? One word, one line. Come on.
Oh my God.
Okay, I think you can pass.
I lose. I lose.
So that's
Oh my
that's
God.
the end of this round. No worries, no worries. If there is a rumor, that I'm sure the viewers of this video will write it in the comment, and probably you
I
can
hope-
reply back to them.
Yes, yes. I want people to tell me what is the weirdest rumor they've heard about me. And then I have heard it too. Then.
So, what's your all-time favorite Bollywood movie, and why? I mean, we are over the one-word, one-line thing. Any
Yeah.
favorite Bollywood movie, and something that has really, and why? Why do you think that's your favorite movie?
My God, that's a very tough question because there's so many who have their own, bits.
Okay, I'll make it easier for you. एक ऐसी मूवी जो
You
टीवी
name.
पे आ रही है, एक मूवी टीवी पे आ रही है तो वो देखनी है, चाहे कितने भी बिजी हो.
अच्छा ऐसे.
हाँ.
I think कयामत से कयामत तक.
That's, yes, of course you had a crush on Amir Khan, so you would love that movie.
Yeah. So I think that.
Okay.
That. And also because, oh my God, I cried so much in the movie. That movie. No, I think I can also see Sadma.
Okay.
Sadma is another movie
Beautiful movie.
which I can watch anytime it comes. And there's another movie called Ek Do. I know there's so many actually for all of us. Difficult to name just one.
That's Kayamat Se or Sadma.
Yeah, Sadma. Yeah, that movie also I can watch.
And if have you ever found out that somebody who's close to you or a friend was ever leaking stories about you?
No,
नहीं.
I'm not that kind of a person.
इतनी happening नहीं है ना?
नहीं, मैं तभी तो बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं बिग बॉस के लायक नहीं हूँ.
Has it ever happened that any of your friends or you yourself sometime called the paps on you?
No, never.
नहीं.
Never. I know. I'm very boring.
I think आपके सारे
Sad.
friends को ये honest confession सुनने चाहिए. कुछ ऐसा try जरूर करना चाहिए. थोड़ा happening होगा.
चलो ठीक है, मैं ट्राई करूंगी. जब ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा ना, this will be one list.
One
number in the list. Yeah. ठीक है. Done. I will do this.
If you can actually go back in time, what is one thing that you want to change?
I would not want my father to leave us so early.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just 11 when he passed away, and I'm very close to him, And I have an elder brother and an elder sister.
Okay.
So my brother is more like a father figure to me because I was very young, with a gap of 10 and 11 years between me and my sister and brother.
Right.
So I think that's one thing I would not want to happen.
So, last question for this session today. Where is that one place that you would want to go the moment lockdown is over? पूरी खुली छूट मिल गई है, मेरे को वहाँ जरूर जाना है. What's that place?
I want to go to a coffee shop.
Don't we all? Everybody is dying.
No, I make very good coffee. I've got a coffee maker, fresh coffee is there, freshly brewed, everything, Starbucks thingy. But the whole feel to go in a coffee shop, like Starbucks, if I can mention, because I go there often. Okay. That is one thing I want to do.
So Shruti, it was really nice to have this interaction with you. I'm sure the viewers of this show, they've loved it, and they never saw this part of you because they've actually seen you in one role or the other, and there have been so many roles, so many hit TV shows and movies, and people have actually seen that part of you. This part is something that they would be looking forward for, and they would. I'm sure there'll be a lot of reruns of this show.
I hope so, but I also want to tell something to the viewers and my fans and my friends. I would like to share with them is that especially in this lockdown, I mean, of course, ये आपकी जिंदगी का एक तरह से एक रूटीन या आपकी जिंदगी में नियम या आपकी जिंदगी का दिनचर्या होना चाहिए to stay fit and healthy and to eat well and to eat right and to eat at the right time. So मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी because I'm a lot into fitness. I mean,
Yes.
if you have seen my Instagram and if people follow
We all
it,
are. We all are.
then you see that I write a lot about health. I post a lot of my gym videos and my workout videos, which I make on my own, and I post so that, people get inspired. And especially nowadays when you need to be really strong, from the inside, your immunity really needs to be on a high level. And, आपको एकदम fit रहना चाहिए, कोई बीमारी से दूर रहना चाहिए. So, for this kind of virus and otherwise also in life, I think fitness should be one of your priorities. So please, it's a request. Take care of yourself, love yourself, be strong, be safe, be fit, be good, and be beautiful and celebrate life.
Super. That's something that is beautiful. And I think the viewers who are watching this show should take this advice very seriously. It's not an advice, it's a request. It's a request about being yourself, taking care of yourself. And
loving yourself.
Yes. And if you actually like this video, you please share it with more people so that you actually understand what Shruti Ulfat is all about. This is what she's all about. Share it with your friends, family, subscribe to this channel, follow Shruti on Instagram. She has a lovely collection of videos, and we hope that inspiring people on Instagram.
Yeah, I also post cooking stuff as well. So I post the cakes I bake, recipes, and very interesting recipes from Dehradun, from the Pahad.
Right.
So I've posted a lot of little chutney, til ki chutney, mooli ki chutney, which is very, very desi and very Dehraduni and Pahadi. So in fact, if you go to my Instagram, a lot of people can see a lot of recipes, and I bake a lot. So there's a lot about cheesecake and normal cakes and pies, which I bake. Mm-hmm. So a lot of fitness and then a lot of eats is you're gonna watch.
That's fantastic. So that's all for today. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I'm sure our audiences loved this conversation. And please share all the information that you've received from Shruti to all your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. Okay, we'll say bye to Shruti now. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Stay happy.
So this was Shruti Panwar, who has won 1 million hearts through various roles in the Indian television industry and Bollywood through her super hit performances in movies like Dil To Pagal Hai, Raaz, और TV series like Thoda Hai Thode Ki Zarurat Hai, Nimki Vidayak, Sasural Genda Phool, to name a few. In conversation with me, Sujay Gupta, on Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. So signing off for now, and hope to see you next Saturday with another guest, जिनके साथ करेंगे हम बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बातें. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो ज़रूर लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें. Till next Saturday, I hope and I wish that you stay safe and stay protected. Till then, namaskar.